Everyone, this is Huang from Hangzhou Jiao Vending. Today we will tell you a special powder, Assam milk tea. This milk tea is ice powder. It's very easy to mix with cold water. I'll show you the powder. So today I will use this machine to dispense cold Assam milk tea. Now I put the paper cup to here and I select the cold milk tea button. And you can see powder is dispensing. The Assam milk tea is made very quickly and is ready. You can see powder is very good. Now I taste. Hangzhou, today's temperature is 30 degrees, and this cup of Assam milk tea temperature is 10 degrees. We can make 10 degrees. So you may ask why this machine can make cold ice milk tea. Because we install electric cooler here. You can see the fan is working. So we install this and we make cold milk tea. So if you are interested in our powder, Assam milk tea powder, or our machine, please WhatsApp or email to us. We will waiting for you. And thank you for your time and see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.